A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Today's just a shave. Had Shave Masters last night, had a beautiful BBS shave with the RazorWorks razor. And I had a great shave that morning on the face, and I really didn't have much to shave this morning, so here it is, Wednesday after work, and now I do, and I'm ready for a shave. Whether I really needed it or not, I'm just ready for a shave, so it'll probably be a quick one. I'm using something new, but not new. I have Barbus in the cream, in the tube, and I have the chlorophyll version of this also. Love these. These are perfect size for traveling. Man, these European tube creams, guys, all of them so far, I'm going to have to show my collection sometime. Just blow me away every time I use them. But I've always wanted the aftershave, and when I hunt it down, it's either gone or I forget to add it to my cart or whatever. Well, I finally got the Barbus aftershave. Smells amazing, but I said, well, you know what? Something else I wanted was the Barbus shaving soap, which I have not used it yet. Such a fresh scent. So I waited till I got this in. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them both in the same place. This was a little harder to find recently. But I did grab it off of Amazon, paid a little bit more than I thought I should because this is usually fairly cheap. I'm going to have a link down below where you can get Barbus products. And I'm kind of curious about Big Dude Barbus, it says right there. Now, it does say Barbus Classic on the other side. But, yeah, Big Dude Barbus. I like that. So, keeping with the Barber red, white, blue theme, I found these blades as a new item at Maggard's when I was purchasing some knots. They were a great price, like $13.99 for a 100-pack, so I went ahead and grabbed a 100-pack. Have not used them yet. So I'm going to be using these blades as well today. These are from the Czech Republic, and I believe they said they were platinum coated. It doesn't say it on the box, but the description at Maggard's, I think, said they were platinum coated, if I remember. So I've already got it loaded in my razor. For the razor today, I showed this last night, well, 2 nights ago, because this will air tomorrow on Thursday. My Prospector edition of my British HD Rocket. So I haven't used it in a while, so when I pulled it out to show it, I was like, you know what? I need to shave with that again. So look at how beautiful this razor is. Now, as far as one done from Razor Emporium, Matt said I have the only one in existence because he will not do one of these again. He said it was too much of a pain in the you-know-what. So there's that blade already loaded. And, I mean, this is just such a beautiful, beautiful finish for this razor. Love it. All right, and then for the brush, keeping with the theme, I've got my Hoosier Lathe Works. I call this the Neo Barber just because of I love the marbled red and blue pattern in this. One of my favorite brushes. I have it set with a G5C. So let's get the brush wet and loaded, and we'll get this shave going, guys. And let me tell you, I had a lot of fun the other night on the live. I hope all of you did too. Of course, John, you were missed, my friend. Hope you are staying warm. And all right, let's load this up. Looking forward to this, man. I really, really love the tube, and I've been wanting to try the soap for a while. So I'm going to load this up pretty good just to see what it's like. It's foaming instantly. I know it's a soap with glycerin, so I know that aids in how quick it will generate a lather. But I do want to build this on the face too, so I'm going to load this brush pretty good. I mean, let me show you. Let me see. I've got it all over coming out of the tub here. Let me rinse that off. Oh, such a clean, fresh scent. Just a light citrus. I don't know the notes on this. I can't find them anywhere. But it's just a nice, fresh, clean, slightly barbershop-y scent. Really, really beautiful. All right, set that there. Let's get the glasses off and the face wet. All right. Beautiful. Oh, it's really good fragrance. I mean, it is wonderful. It's super nice, just a freshie. We're going to add a little bit more water to this. I think it can take some more. Let me go again. That is a glorious lather. This is what I would call a budget shave when you can find it at its regular price. Excellent, excellent price point for the soap and splash. And I like the size of the splash. It would fit very well. It does fit very well in my dock kit. It's like the size of a small old-fashioned roll-on deodorant. Do they still make roll-ons? So it's a great size for travel, absolutely. And it follows the TSA rules as far as the volume of liquid. So if that hits some of y'all where you travel a lot, then you might check it out. They also have some other scents, such as Active and Sport, I believe. Let's try this blade out. Smooth. I think this is one of my favorite vintage Gillette razors. Not just because I had it prospected. It's a toss-up between this one and the red tip, honestly. This blade is nice. I'm going to try one of my more aggressive razors to see how it feels. Might put it in my Blackbird with the standard plate. Or put it in the Osprey and crank it all the way up. Or the Ambassador also is another choice. The soap is very slick. Very slick. Wonderful stuff. I expected nothing less after really enjoying the creams. But I wanted to see what that tub soap was like, and I'm impressed. I enjoy it. You know, sometimes you want to get away from all the fragrances and dupes and everything. You just want a nice, fresh, clean, standard shave. And this stuff, man, the scent just makes you just fresh. It makes you smile. It's clean. Oh, I like it. The only thing about this razor I would change, if I could, is I wish the knurling was a little bit grippier. It's got some nice knurling. It's very tactile. You can feel it, but for some reason it's still kind of slippery in the fingers with wet fingers. Have to use the alum trick sometimes. All right, let's go for pass 2. Look at all that glorious lather. It is no issue in creating a wonderful, cushiony, protective, slick lather. At all. Beautiful. A little bit of a weeper there. I am curious how that aftershave is going to smell. The scent is the same. I'm just wondering if it has a little more intensity, maybe. Very slick. Initial impression of this blade is I like it. I'm gonna roll with it the rest of the week. Put it through some paces and see. Great price point for 100 blades. And for those of you that it matters, they were single wrapped but no wax on the blades. All right. Oh, still very slick. Great shave. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Oh, that was fantastic. Quick shave. I'm feeling great, feeling fresh. I like that soap. Big dude Barbus. Yeah. I see why it's called that now. After you shave, you just want to go big dude Barbus. Fantastic. Oh, man, it's just fresh. I don't want to say clean laundry because it's not that, but you get that feeling of smelling some fresh, clean laundry, you know? It's really, really nice. I like it a lot. All right, there we go. We got the Barbus Classic Aftershave. My bottle came in a little ding on the bottom. Let me see if I can push that down because it kind of it's got a little gangster lean when it's sitting on the counter. So let's get a little bit of this on. All right. Oh, definitely. Oh, much more of that fragrance. Oh, definitely citrus top. I think I'm getting a little oak moss in there. Feels wonderful. There are some woody notes, some herby woody notes in there. They're light though. We'll see what it's like when it dries down. I don't expect this one to hang around long. It's one of those, use it, enjoy it for the moment, and then you can put whatever you want on after it because it's going to fade away, which is exactly what I like half the time, especially when I'm doing a quick shave. I may already have my fragrance on for the day if I'm doing an evening shave. Oh, that is wonderful. Great. My skin feels fantastic. So if you haven't ever tried Barbus, any Barbus items, whether it's the shave soap or the tube cream, which I'll hold up right here. And they have this in a chlorophyll version. They also have active and sport with aftershaves and colognes that go with that stuff. And of course, the aftershave, man, give it a try. Fantastic price point. If it's sold at a shop and you're trying to get $5 more for shipping, throw in a tube cream, throw in some Barbus if it's available. That's how I acquired almost all the tube creams I have. I'm going to make a post. I've got at least 30 or 40 European or foreign tube creams, not just European. Some are South American even, I believe. But yeah, they're fantastic. They are fantastic. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what